So in the past we have seen many Android gaming ROMs based on stock Android. But what if you get Asus ROG Edition port which is based on latest Miui 12.1 and not the stock Android? So as you can see, I have already installed this Asus ROG Edition on my phone which is based on Miui 12.1. So there are plenty of people who are still waiting for Miui 12. Well, if you don't want to wait for that, just watch this video till end and you will be able to figure out whether you should install this or not. So first of all, as you can see in all specs, this is Miui 12.1 with latest security patch of 1st September. In this video we are going to have a look at this ROM's features, performance and stability. So let's get started. This video is brought to you by ROG Wallet. It's light, sleek and classy. No more bulge in your back pocket like your dad. Now this was my old wallet and this is 100-year-old design. So I switched to ROG Wallet which can hold up to 12 cards and some cash. ROG Wallet is available in 30 colors including this amazing carbon fiber. Apart from wallet, they also have great travel bags with RFID blocking technology with the option of device charging batteries. Get 10% discount today with free worldwide shipping and returns by going to rich.com/GOR. Use the code GOR and click the first link in description. So this is how your home screen looks when you first time install it. When you swipe right, you will see your shortcuts and gadget. And of course this is Miui, so there is no launcher. Also this ROG theme is amazingly implemented, whether it's in setting menu, whether on home screen, even in your slide gestures. In the display menu you get full dark theme. And now you have option to change your control center to new one, or you can use your old Miui 11 one. Personally I like the new one. Obviously there are plenty of things that you can customize here as Miui itself is a full feature pack ROM. So alongside this control center you get plenty of options. The first option is of course you can use the new one or old one. You can switch the side from where the control center will be triggered. You can show or hide your control center on the lock screen. You can show notification icons. You can change your LTE icon to 4G. You can enable speed indicators on your status bar. And of course, you can change the battery icon. So this is just 1% of what you can do in this ROM. And in the setting menu, in the notification, you get plenty of other options. And when you go to home screen, you can completely customize your home screen. You can change icon, you can change text, you can enable double tap to lock screen. Also, you can hide apps if you use Reddit for educational purpose. So you get all the good things that you get from Miui 12, but there are plenty of things that developer has added. For example, in the theme section, developer has added these amazing themes which you can download for free and apply it. And your phone will look completely unique. And because this is a ROG edition, the gaming in this ROM is completely smooth. Whether you play Call of Duty, Free Fire and PUBG, if you don't live in Uganda, it's not banned there. So all other themes are good, but this ROG theme is one of my personally favorite theme. And as I said, all these themes are for free and it's already installed in your phone. So why you should install this ROM? If you're not a huge fan of stock Android, if you like the design and overall theme of Miui, and if you want to stay with Miui but still want to get amazing gaming performance, then this Android ROM is for you. So even though it's based on latest Miui beta, but still it's stable. You can use it as your daily driver. You also get this Miui 12 camera with plenty of options, portrait mode, and there is pro mode available too. Everything else is working perfectly, Wi-Fi call, VoLTE. So if you install this ROM, you get gaming ROM, you get Miui 12.1, the latest version, plus some free themes and plenty of options for customization. So I think it's a really good ROM if you are tired of stock Android and want to try something new.